ilahi kuli ilahi kuli ikiswakalu iwai tadiku iwai tandanam kuli John Bayangkan sichaba sikamhlanga nina bomzo omkhulu wenene welizwe nina babomahoro nina bomlotsholelwa ngekomozo umlotsholzo konekwa bomathanda nakajobo nanganajobo yahiwa umahoro lotshani imntwana wala ekhaya kodwa ngigcina wakubona ihholo leli kade isakhiwa ngokwazi kwami bengakavulwa emcabango nami ilinde oku-2025 mhlawumbe kufanele sisho kodaba ezitha abaholi bethu nomphakathi ukuthi khona kubuhlungu ukuthi ukuvulwa kwayo ivuleke kwenziwe ibuthano elibuhlungu njengaleli namhlanje. Hhayi mhlawumbe kuyayifakazela nayo leyo yokuthi nokuthiwa kwayo ingathiwa ngaleli qhaweni uTankhani wekhethu olelewa namhlanje. Angibeke ngingasachithi isikhathi ukuya phambili ngilotshise ezigwenameni zekhethu ezingekho la sisazi bonyana silapha ngenyawo amehlo nomzimba ngokuthunywa kwabalithu bayele ngithole ngokulotshisa nokuncameza emndenini wakwaThugwana ngithi lotshani wakwaThugwana bengithi ncancame akungehli elingisiko nakebekhaba omkhulu amagwezani wonke ngithi nina bezemele ikhali elisemsamo kosithiwana elagawula lafokelela lalingagawula imithi lalihlahla imbongo yamadoda magwezani akukhulumeka besajayeleke ukuba sendaweni enje bekukhulunywa ngoThugwana ngena ngoba ngiyethemba kabaningi kwenzekile uthi na ukukhambisana ubone ngathi kunananje ababonakala afana naye bakwethu bangene ehlelweni ngisikimise uNdabezitha uMbandla azoduduza emndenini nesitshabeni nemkhosini ngaye kwenza ukuthi kube lula kimi nokuphakamisa uNdabezitha isekela likaMongameli we-Contractors Hospital bese sikwazi nokuphakamisa umbabethu uNdabezitha uW uMahlangu wenkosi uNdabezitha kwafene lokho kanti ngitsho-ke bakwethu Khosi Milan Ndabezitha Mbandla noNdabezitha ufene ukuthi nakunje namhlanje umbali wethu usitshela kuhle ukuthi namujaya lapha yajika khona isibuka manje we are the survivors ze-attack yakamzilikazi ngoba kuma-tactics wabapilani enza ukuthi umzilikazi nakasahlela abakwena liwabo azangakhona ukubathina abapilani ngoba bebane-defense system ehlakaniphileyo wabasahlela amanzunza umzilikazi kodwana kwakhonakala ukuthi asinde wasahlela umzuzane usahlela-ke esitobereka ngitho sesitofeka usahlela-ke kwamanana ePitori ngemva kokuthi asahlele nakhona kwakhonakala ukuthi amaNdebele kwamanana ePitori asinde nakahlela eRustenburg athola abafo athola abakwena athola abarhatha hhayi kwapilani zakafika ubulali wethu kutsho njalo. Habu asiphakamise undaba ezitha ulibandla amabhena ngamagama moduduza nokuchiriya emndenini. Ndaba ezitha ngiloshise uphathelo ngizithole ngokuloshisa umndeni esingawo namhlanje ukhosi bakwafele okulimele enkulu amakhosi abakhona la usekela mongameli we-Janesa ukholo okhona lapho ngaphandle. Ngakho ngesikhathi asikho nami bengithunywe bese kulewayo ukuthi amezwi lawo kududuza ngabachiya esigodlweni-ke nakurolesa ngoba ngithole ukuhlanga kurolesa ukwakuthumbana bamanzi khulu u-deputy president uKhoshi Masibi advocate usadress about 30 minutes zona sitshela ngothukwana nokuthi into ifundo wayithanda kangangani ukuthi the last time bekanaye bekuse-UNISA last year November. So bathi nethambe zokusheria egameni lesikole lokhosi bawathubana awehlanga olungehlile sililanani silimele namhlanje sisiwe la swabele ngoba silimele uthubana-ke angiveze njengomuntu onethisakalo ukuhamba nethisakalo esitshaba zamalebele. Uthubana akaphuma emhathweni kuKwekwezi mina personally see more than 10 calls bathizolelani kuKwekwezi whereby uthubana kakhuluma ngokuhlukumeza ngesitshaba zamalebele. Uthubana nakakhuluma siyakufa sharply so wayikhuluma ngokuthi amandebele azokushingaphi umthadweni kazongapha and that's why I recognize abantu bayazi ukuthi others they are shy bona abashayi sitha samandebele sandelezela endizinakhulu kufathaka siyaqolisa abantu ukwana kufathaka ukuba uthenga play njengamakhosi mhlawumbe isikhuluma ngokuthi esingamakhosi mara ngifuna ukutsho ukuthi mhlawumbe after simvumela namkhana after sisekela ukuthi akukuthelwe kwisitshaba zamandebele nabo lapho kwaba nomthintelo ngoba watsho ukuthi inamatrayibeli kwathula ukuba wesikuza ngokusasabhika nokuthi underline athi abantu ababhalabhala nangani mhlawumbe nabo they must so silimele bakwethu ubuhlungu ukuthi imistake mhlawumbe yenziwa ngumfuso wabandebele nakuthi Deuteronomy 28 ukutshela kuhle sisenze imistake lesitshaba zamalebele and bakwethu sifile abanye sifile nangokuthoma okubuleyo babiza nani ngokuthi whatever ubhili wabantu was killed emotionally kudala because wayeza ukukhuluma iqiniso lesitshaba zamalebele kubuhlungu ngoba ezingane namhlanje sifile nathi sifile nami ngifile amandebele afile abulawa babantu emotionally makhothele bayathanda bebentamsoli bakhothele bayathanda uthubana wayejamele amandebele upheli umhathweni bathi amandebele akahlangani kuzokwenza into simple unyalele wakhoselisa umamkhulu efuhleni wafuna ukumbulala that's right everything yenziwe ngunyaka yenziwe umamkhulu instead of unyalele something that's a problem today abantu abenza iconcept ukuthi lekwaholo lengane ukuze ayithelwe ngayo ukuthi abantu bathi bayashona but sinamagama lezingawufuni engeke sifuna uwakhala singamchaza ukuthi
Yes.
udluluthelisilayo singamchaza ukuthi udluluthelisilayo
Yes.
Abantu manje. Esela ukuthi
Yes.
You are starting to be vocal. Look at this. Not the most like to buy, but still. I think you can roll up with that. I want to go back. I want to go to the resident. To it, Tawamuti. You know, what we call them, because they never attack. How was an attack? You know, the attack. Would be able to say no, was cooking. Why not all I want to give you? Half of the money to go up to the bed. I thought no respect them, but how to respect them for attacker. So the problem. Look at like campaigning at the end of the group. As I'm saying, we're saying I don't know the way. We're not. As I'm saying. Because no. What would demand to be senior? Is a citizen Kenya. I'm getting what would demand to me that he's like a good job. And let's build the unit of family. But we said police and police about that. We will do focus child. Yeah. I'm trying to focus child on that. Think I got which is under two.
Yes.
If we have a phone, depends on the phone, and I get that. Why did I still not very easy? And yet, the lady has delivered so. We the local account of 1,000, 5,000, for my man, I'm coming to the post of pay. That must stop. Two Ubataga, and the passion you wear and don't understand. And that's the problem to find every time in Kaka. Each other in them, but for us, not for another one in China because of being a man. Doesn't it man, but maybe man, the football is another man in the years, because of £1,000 here. I'm challenging you for less than 1 and less than say they must fight for issues of our course. Some of us are culture, because you know we are culture. Because you have human vocabulary. We are saying to the house of traditional leaders, Baudi, no anything, no, member of parliament, I think of what Command anything to brilliant, you will see for me. You tell them Ulawa, Waman, so Namaka Toza, Inatuzi Makabana, this is more of cooler. Fire to fight that. Must be more united. Let me understand. In a number, okay. But I want to in other words, the police are or running to Tabakuti. Think of it as a no man there. No one is not together and no man there. Because I have to one, so that was a double location, that was a food, the band, the west side of popular consumer island, that was in that one. I read that the bed. I read that no command the bed. I read that the food on the bed. I read that tap of something on the bed. Abilita utolele mtane weka mucho bonyana mtose family we shangana ya makosi elolesa baba ulibandla mapena nabisita nakunjile bawethu isindebele sisakhenga na so baba utubana